Hey guys, Danny here. Today we're taking a look at some Bluetooth headphones. These are using Bluetooth 5.0. You can pick these up from Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description for you, so be sure to check that out. So these are a decent pair of headphones. They are coming in at a pretty low price. Not the cheapest pair that I have reviewed, but they are nonetheless, I think, a pretty good deal. They do come in this nice case, which you can see is fairly small, so the headphones do fold up. Something that sets these apart from some of the others that I have tested is they are boasting a 30-hour battery life. I didn't quite get that in my test, but it was fairly close. And they also have a very quick charging time of about an hour for a full charge. And they state within a 5-minute charge you can get 2 hours worth of playtime. I think they may be over exaggerating that just a little bit, but nonetheless this product does have a very good battery life indeed. I don't mind the design of these headphones. They are quite a stealthy black look, which is what I tend to go for. On the bottom we have a micro USB charging port, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack. You have your power button, volume rocker, and a little switch that you can flip for noise cancellation. The build quality for these headphones I would say was about average. They weren't anything spectacular. They are pretty much plastic from what you can see, but they did feel pretty sturdy in my hands, and they were relatively lightweight and when wearing them also. Included with the headphones is a 3.5mm audio cable and also a micro USB charging cable, as well as a little manual. Setting up these headphones couldn't be any simpler. You simply power them on by holding the power button, and you will see a little LED indicator will come on, flashing red and blue. This means they're in pairing mode, and you simply connect them on your smartphone and away you go. For a low cost pair of headphones, I was really impressed with them. These are probably the best that I've tested so far around this price range. They create a really nice sill around your ear and are pretty sturdy. Even when shaking my head, they didn't really move too much. You're probably not going to want to wear these when you're working out, doing anything too crazy, as they probably will fall off. But in terms of normal day-to-day use, they have a nice snug fit on your head, and you can adjust them also. The noise cancelling feature didn't make a huge difference to me, but it definitely did assist in cancelling out some of the background noise. But as I said, these earphones do create a really good seal around your ear and do block out most of the noise around you, especially if you're playing the music on a really high volume. However, if you're someone who likes your music super loud, these might not be quite loud enough for you. There were some songs that I played that I felt like could have used just a little bit more volume. Also, when on max volume, occasionally I did hear a little bit of hissing in some songs, but this was very infrequent and pretty minor. I had to listen pretty carefully to hear this. But overall, these headphones do perform really nicely for their price point. I don't think you'll be too disappointed from these, as long as you're not downgrading from a very expensive pair. If these would be a first pair for you, they are definitely a very good option. There is also a microphone built into these headphones, as most of them have, and call quality was absolutely fine, so if you will be making the occasional call on these, you won't have any problems. I have no problem recommending these headphones. I think they are very good value for money. Please bear in mind they are not going to be on par with very expensive headphones. You are not going to get extremely good sound quality, but I think it's going to be good enough for those of you who just want something portable and wireless to use. If you want a really good sound quality, you're going to need to pay a little bit more. I really hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.